Today, 8th of April 2026, a golden has stopped breathing, but her light will never face. On this note, the family of late Chief Ezinne Ukemezie of blessed memory of Umejialu in Amuju Autonomous Community, Ezinne LGA celebrates a life of late Ezinne Eunice Ukemezie at a remarkable age 103. Today, 7th April 2026,
by 8 p.m. in the night, the funeral rites began with a Christian wake-up
at her husband compound. Today, 8th April 2026,
the burial day,
the funeral rites begin by 7 a.m. in the morning. Can with the movement of her remains. From here, we should proceed to Divine Mortuary Umundoba, where her remains has been preserved.
A brief stop was made
at her father's compound in Uzafo Isu, where the family members, associates, friends and family, entire Iwunze family pay her a last respect. The casket were also conveyed for lying in state at her husband's compound. Late Chief Ezinne Ukemezie of blessed memory, where the entire family,
in a deeply emotional moment, his first son,
led by Mr. Joseph Ukemezie and her siblings, friends and well-wishers, grandchildren, great-grandchildren, and host of other relations, giving the love and the opportunity,
bid him a final farewell.
The legacy of late Ezinne Eunice Ukemezie Iwunze. Leave a legacy. She's a woman of integrity, a virtuous woman, a priceless treasure who forever remain
evergreen in our hearts.
After which, the casket was closed for onward movements. The funeral mass was held at St. Teresa's Catholic Church, Amojuisu, by 10 a.m. in the morning.
After which,
her body
committed to Mother Earth
at her husband's compound. We keep you updated as we proceed from Ajiboonwa Cherry Special Short on 09036881991. Note that this event will draw an attention of the academia, religious class, royal family, friends and well-wishers, associates, loved ones. The Bible says it's better to go in the homes where there is mourning than to go in the home where there is party, because the dead will always remind us that we all should die. At this juncture, the burial service mass in honor of late Ezinne Eunice Ukemezie Iwunze, age 103, has come to an end. Late Ezinne Eunice Ukemezie Iwunze left a legacy that one can emulate, fulfilled an impactful life dedicated to God, family and humanity. Ezinne was a woman of great wisdom, discipline, kindness, and unwavering faith. She was known for her peaceful nature, generosity, humility, and motherly love towards everyone around her. Truthful, she remained a source of strength, unity, and encouragement to her children, grandchildren, relatives, neighbors, and community. She believed strongly in hard work, honesty, and respect, and the fear of God. Her home is a place of peace, love, prayer, and hospitality, where many found comfort, advice, and care. A devoted Christian woman, she touched many lives through her words of wisdom, acts, and kindness, and genuinely concern for others. That's why Mama Peaceful answered the call of her curator at the age of 103. She's a virtuous woman, case of love, integrity, faith, unity that will continue to inspire generations yet unborn. Though she's no longer physical with us, her memories, teachings, sacrifice, and prayers will forever remain alive in our hearts. She'll always be remembered as loving mother, grandmother, great-grandmother, mentor, and a true martyr which life was blessing to many. A legacy of life, a legacy of faith and prayer, a symbol of peace and unity, a loving and caring mother, a woman of wisdom and humanity, kindness and compassion, a source of strength to generations. Her life was a blessing, her memory a treasure, and she loved beyond words and missed beyond measures. She was survived by sons, daughters-in-laws, grandchildren, great-grandchildren, and host of other relations. Son, Mr. Joseph Ukemezie, son for the family. This is the size of our package from Ajiboonwa Cherry Special Short on 09036881991.
Ajiboonwa, Jerry special shot. Any angle we shoot it, the busty. Ajiboonwa, Jerry special shot. The camera guard.